Hey guys, hope you all are doing pretty well and I'm sure you all love 3D nail art. So today I brought one of the popular nail art trend which is called mermaid nails, in which you can use the pattern of mermaid tail to add some fun design and style to your nails. Now let me show you the easiest technique of creating 3D nail art. First, wash your hands and make your cuticles push back. This is the first step of preparing your nails. After that, file your natural nails to give it a proper shape. Even filing your nails is a good way to keep them in a uniform length and shape. Next step is to buff your natural nails to make it moisture and shine free. After that, you can clean it with alcohol pads, as these pads is ideal for cleaning the natural nail plate before applying a nail treatment such as gel polishes. Apply primer, as it helps in removing the extra moisture and oil on the surface of nail and allowing your polish to adhere better. As primer is air dry, so after a minute you can apply the base coat, as base coat helps the polish stick to the nail more easily and even gives nail a more even texture. Even a good base coat ultimately extends the life of your manicure, so always try to use a branded base coat. You can even apply gel base coat, but here I am using the normal one. Now this is something interesting, unique and easiest way of creating 3D nail art design. Yes, you guess it right friends, I am using Fevicol here. I am giving it a mermaid tail shape. Fevicol is a glue which have bigger strength and is helpful in creating 3D designs and adhesive for crafting. Now I am using this awesomest technique of creating ombre nails for my index finger and little finger. Well, ombre nails is a type of manicure that blends different color tones. To paint ombre nail design, you just have to pick two colors you love and then you have to decide on which end you want each polish to end up. Just clean the edges and cure it in your UV or LED lamp if you are using gel polishes like me. Repeat the process for providing more neat texture to your ombre nails. As I am creating this mermaid nail art design for my beloved bestie Helen, who has left for her heavenly abode, I just wanted to say that there are no goodbyes for us. Wherever you are, you will always be in my heart, and I am sure that you will love my work as you always loved before. Now, I had put blue nail gel paint to my middle finger and pink nail gel paint to my thumb. If you are applying gel paints, again you have to cure it. Meanwhile, I checked the status of my mermaid tail that I had created from the Fevicol. Just peel it a little to check if it's dried or not. If it's still wet, just give it a little more time to dry. As after almost an hour, it's dried now. But according to me, it's really thin and I need more thickness to create my mermaid tail with better density. So I just applied Fevicol again to this mermaid tail and give it a similar shape as before. After waiting for an hour or two, I'm glad it's dried completely. So I peeled it off from my mat and checked the thickness again. It's perfect for me now, exactly the way I wanted. Believe me guys, Fevicol works like a wonder sometimes. It came out so neatly and nicely. As it's little bigger than my nail size, so I am trimming it a little bit so that I can cover up my nail accordingly. After completing the process of trimming, I just put my fake nail glue on my ring finger and pasted this mermaid tail on it. Press it a little harder to paste it completely. Wow, just look at the way it turned out. Mermaid tail nails. Looks like people went through a lot of work, but it hardly takes 30 minutes once you are ready with your 3D sculpture. Now I am using the same gel shades that I had already used for my other fingers. You can even try the different color combo. After merging both the shades together, cure them again with the help of your lamp. Now you can simply add a beautiful rhinestone in center of your mermaid nail tail to give it a proper and gorgeous look. You can even take the small decorations and apply them randomly here and there to give a much shiny effect to your nails. The reason why I choose mermaid nails because mermaids are known to be beautiful, mystical creatures of the sea that have alluring quality to them. And to embrace this feeling of being divine as a human is an exciting prospect and an awesome way for creative people to express their personalities to the world. And Helen was the person with a great knowledge of creative skills. So, she truly deserves to be connected with this divine energy which joined with her and bond with her. This is my blessings for her always. Simultaneously, after applying nail glue, I added golden flakes to my design because adding just a little bit of glitter like you see here can elevate your look by adding a pop of vibrancy and channelize a fun, youthful style. Now I am embellishing my nails with multiple seashells, themed gems including different shapes, pearls, stars and colorful shiny balls, silver beads, golden studs, which helps in making the range of this design in a perfect and in a versatile look. Mostly people love to create this mermaid nail art just because they are having abundance of ideas and numerous of things to decorate their nails with gems, glitter, studs, accessories, shells, anything can go with mermaid nail art design. So everyone loves to decorate their nails accordingly. Now here comes my pro tip. The more creative you get with your mermaid nails, the better result you will get in return. Basically, with some gorgeous arrangement of accessories and with some miniature pearls, which is adoring the surface of ombre nails, and it is sure to stand out. Well, what do you think, friends? Aren't these nail art accessories giving this manicure a fun statement? And if you ask my point of view, friends, then I will definitely say that this design features a variety of nail art all within one look. And I guess this is the most attractive feature of the mermaid nail art. Even there is another most common idea of creating mermaid nails, in which you can create the look of scales with the help of stencil, or you can even use your free hand drawing skills. So you can see there are no hard rules with mermaid nail art. Only you can have fun with it while creating it. Do you know, friends? Mermaid nail art is the perfect nail art for the spring and summer season because of all the beautiful colors used to design this artwork. Guys, just look at the way it turned out. I believe you enjoyed watching it because I really enjoyed making it. It is not only artistic, but its divine beauty is heavenly delightful and eye-popping. Now, I am going to seal this manicure with a top coat, as top coat helps the manicure to last longer. And guys, don't forget to cure it if you are using gel top coat. I really wish Helen was there because I am sure she would have enjoyed watching this video. This is my genuine tribute to you, Helen. Your appreciation, motivational notes, encouraging compliments on my old videos. It's really so tough to get them out of my mind. Your death left us a headache which no one can heal, but your love left us a lot of memories that no one can steal. You will be alive in my thoughts and in my prayers and forever in my heart. You are the most amazing nail artist and light of my life. I will definitely going to miss you more than the words can say. Rest in peace, Helen. We all loves you a lot. There is a beautiful lesson she taught me when I had started my YouTube. She told me everything you can imagine is real. To practice any art, no matter how well or badly is the way you make, your soul will definitely grow with it. So do it. In short, creativity is the intelligence of having fun. Friends, I hope you all enjoy the creativity of this manicure, and I am sure you will going to respect my feelings for her. Even at the end, I had shared few beautiful compliments given by her in my previous videos. Thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. God bless you all. Stay safe, stay connected. You all are actually precious to me. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.